Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Battlefield 6. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Battlefield 6 game. I am showing the steps with another game because I don't have Battlefield 6. So you have to right click on Battlefield 6 and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab. And from here select disable Steam input. Make sure changing requires restart of the game, so you have to just restart your game after this and then launch the game and check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If it is not working, then again right click on Battlefield 6, go to properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input. Then again restart the game, then launch the game and then check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. This has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2. Press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now launch the game and check if the controller or gamepad is working in Battlefield 6 or not. This has also solved the issue for many players. Fix 3 is to restart Steam, EA app or restart PC. So close the Steam or EA app from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam, EA app and then launch Battlefield 6 game and then check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run launcher as an admin and then check. Fix 4 is to update the controller drivers. So connect your controller to PC, right click on Windows icon and then select Device Manager, expand Human Interface Devices. Right click on your controller, it should be Game Controller or HID compliant Game Controller and then select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for updated driver software option and allow Windows to install the latest driver. Now restart your PC after the update and then launch the game and then check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to easily fix Battlefield 6 controller or gamepad not working issue. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.